Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. In today's video I'm working on my first Valentine's Day doll, and for this I'm so much inspired by Japanese and Chinese makeup looks, so let's get start this video. For this video I'm taking Acralyic doll, and this face I bought from AliExpress, and now I'm starting removing the doll original factory paint with pure acetone. I choose Acralyic because her face mold are so much cute, and also the face color is white, and I don't want to paint the other doll faces and white color because I don't have airbrush, so I choose this Acralyic doll. And it's my first time to paint Acralyic Now I cut off the doll's original ears and save it for my next project. Now I'm starting my rerouting process. For the rerouting, I'm taking a white color of acrylic and I'm filling the holes with my hot glue. Make sure to build 2 to 3 layers of this hot glue so it will work good. And now it's time to reroot her. Now I'm starting from the hairline. First I rerouted the doll hair with white color of the later on I'm changing the doll hair color, but I don't have video of that part, so I will show you I'm doing the rerouting so much because later on I will use bangs, and it's also first time to do bangs on my dolls. Now, when the rerouting is finished, now I'm starting sketching the doll eyes. For the eye color, I'm choosing blue color, and for the lips color, I'm choosing this red color, which is the most prominent type of thing in Chinese makeup. And now I'm taking my brushes and acrylic paint and starting painting the doll face with light brown color. First I want to make something more like Valentine's Day type, like Cupid or cute teddy bears or a flower type of girl, but later on I don't want to make like that because many other YouTubers can make that type of dolls, so I'm choosing this type of dolls, which is very different, and I'm loving this type of doll. And I also wanted to make this doll for my collection, so that's a great opportunity for making this doll. Now I'm filling the doll eyes with dark color of acrylic paints, and I already done the one eye, and now I'm just working on the other eye. and I'm also giving her solid red color of lips. Now I'm working on the other eye. It's my first time to repaint Acralyic the new doll, but I'm so much loving her face mold. It's so beautiful and elegant type of face mold, and I will try to make more dolls with a base doll of Acralyic the new. Now I'm filling the whites of the doll eyes. And now I'm giving it light green and light blue type of color to the eyes to make it more opaque and also add so much realism to the doll's eyes. If you have some type of suggestions for my next videos, please give me some suggestions, because I want some suggestions for my doll repaints, because I'm so much confused that which type of doll you will like and which type of doll should I make. So please leave me some comments below, so I will check that out and work on that type of dolls. And now I have so much projects which I have to done, and one of them are so much huge and it will take so much time to finish, so I'm working on 3 to 4 dolls at a time. Most of my friends ask me that when you will end the giveaway, and my answer is that I will end the giveaway, but I want to enter more people into the giveaway, so I will finish it and choose a random winner and give the doll to the winner. And I'm also adding more things which I handmade, and I will also send that things to the winner. I'm adding some gradients to the lips, and I'm also adding some orange type of color to the doll lips. Now I'm adding some blushing, and for the blushing I'm taking orange, red and pink colors. I'm adding the blushing so much bold, and it's my first time to try so much blushing and doll face. I'm also blushing to the doll nose and also adding so much eyeshadow with red and pink and orange colors. And when I give the doll face some blushing, then I'm giving her 2 coats of MSC to save my project, and each time I'm taking it for 30 minutes and wait until it dries. And guys, do you know that I'm also working on my first BJD dolls, and I want to make it more like Monster High type of body and also give it so much joints, and I'm working, and I will also share a picture on my Instagram few days later, and you will check that out. I want to make my BJD very cute, and when I will post the final pictures, you will definitely like it. And friends, if you like my video, please share this video and give me some comments below that what you will think about my doll. And if you like my video, please give thumbs up to my videos if you like it, and if you don't, then now I'm adding bottom lashes. For bottom lashes, I'm using white acrylic paint and I'm giving her 2 to 3 coats of bottom lashes because the white color is not much opaque with this surface of red blushing, so I'm giving her 2 to 3 coats of white lashes. And now I'm adding so much blushing to the forehead, and I also noticed that the doll had some type of scratch in her left cheek, so later on I will give it a cutie mark so it will not show on the doll face. And I think that the cutie mark looks so much good, and you will see it in the end of the video. And now I am drawing the lashes. For the lashes, I am also using white acrylic paint and using my tiniest brush of my box. And at last I am giving her the highlights of the doll eyes and give it a coat of MSC, and the face is done. Now it's time to work on the doll outfit. For the outfit, I'm taking this pink type of fabric and I'm also taking this golden lace and also the peach type of lace and just sew it with my needle. And now it's time to work on its pants. So for this, I'm taking this golden type and creamy type of fabric and just sew it. And I'm also giving some ruffles to the pants. So I find this is the very easiest way of making some ruffles on the doll pants, and I'm loving her so much. And actually the patterns was made by my grandmom, so I don't cut the doll patterns by myself, so my grandmom will do it on off screen. And now I sew it all and flip it on the right side, and the pants is done. Now it's time to work on its upper part of the dress. So for this I'm taking just simple golden color of lace and added velcro and also add ruffle to the and now I'm wearing her the outfit. And now I add some beads to the doll bra type of thing, and I'm adding beads which I think it's looking so good. And now I also added this frog type of thing and just sew it with the pants. And now she is done. I think that she came out very beautiful and she is my favorite doll so far. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe.